Hi, today I want to show you how to do extend retract cylinder using pneumatic system. Come on, I show it to you. Before we start our system, I will introduce to you a few components that we will use to do this extend retract system. First component is we will gonna use push button, two push button. In push button got in and out connection, and 5 two-way directional control valve, got air actuation and air return with connection output A and B. And then the third component is double acting cylinder, got port A and port B connection. And we use another to do the connection is tubing, and then connection T junction and compressor. So just now I already introduced to you the component that we will use. So now I will show you how to do the connection to make a system extend retract. First, we start with from push button. With output push button, we put into the air actuation 5 two-way directional control valve. Then for the second push button, the output we connect into the air return 5 two-way directional control valve. And then for the port A, output for 5 two-way directional control valve, we put into the port A double acting cylinder. And then for port B, 5 two-way directional control valve, I put into the port B cylinder. And then the last thing we're gonna do is to do a connection from compressor. That means this is the connection for compressor. So I will show it to you how the system will move with the system of compressor. Now I will show to you the connection. So this is the connection for compressor. So I just test for the compressor is already on. So the result of this connection is extend and retract. Extend retract system using pneumatic system always used in industry like food industry, stamping industry, and tagging industry. So that is for today. See you again. Bye bye.